Please, please, please do interact with the video. Hit that subscribe. It does help the channel out, and would love to grow the Ganja Goons gang alongside you. And with that, we're going to start off with the market. Let me share my screen. Boom, boom, pow. I still haven't gotten the hang of this, but at some point, one day, Teddy, you're going to get it all. Hopefully, buddy. um, So as I was saying, the last few times we've talked, hey, the global crypto market cap was not as high as it was now. It was 2.3, and now we are up at 2.45. So a positive trend in the right direction, which means, hey, the market is pumping, and it is. We were around 60K the last few times we talked, and now we're around 66, really marching towards 67. I do believe we will see 67 again. It was hit earlier in the day. Now we're looking at it being hit again. I think people are waking up. They're starting to realize, hey, this is it. I don't know if there's going to be further dumps. Seems like everyone's holding for the long term. People predicted, dumps of 5 billion. Yeah, people took profits. It did dump. We went down, and now we're seeing the retracement back up. NW Triple G Soul Train. Yo, Teddy, the sky is falling backwards. Wait, what? Backwards? How does it fall backwards? Explain. I need to know more. Soul Train, tell me more. Explain this. So as I was saying, things have progressed in a positive direction for crypto, especially post halving. So we are seeing the global crypto market cap, which was, hey, are we going back towards 2 trillion? We thought, and now we're back at 2.45. I'm really interested to see what the next few weeks are going to bring. And I say a few weeks because I think the price is going to settle out. I think the market's at uncertainty still. I don't quite feel like, hey, boom, the bull run's quite back, but I do see that we are entering another greed cycle, right? We did go towards that neutral, and now we're back in this greed, and we'll see if we do get to that extreme greed as well. So let me see. Howdy goons, what's going on, William? Always a pleasure. It's going up. Wait, what's going up? What? The sky's going up? Wasn't the sky always up? What was up? Wasn't up the movie with the balloon guy? I can't remember. Ugh. Yes. So, um, yeah, global crypto market cap quite good. The other fun thing I want to make sure you guys are aware of, if dominance is relatively the same, right? We are still seeing it level around 54, and we're seeing it level out around 16. Really, I know it's a little under right now for Ethereum, but Ethereum has got a fairly decent pump as well post halving, following the Bitcoin thing. No more Teddy saying Bitcoin halving. Halving. What's going on, Crypto Ricky? Nice to see you. We're post halving now. All right. This guy. Oh man. XRP doing great. I know XRP also pumped. I didn't shout it out before, but I shout out to the XRP community. But really, the overall market has had a nice bullish rally currently. We'll see how long this is going to last, and we'll see, if this is going to further as we go into the coming weeks, because people are anticipating high numbers for Bitcoin. People are anticipating high numbers for Ethereum, and we are going to talk about that as well. Are we about to see new levels that we have never seen before? My soul bag went up 1K today. Let's go, dude. I mean, like, yeah, you're up like 6% today. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And this is just at 2.45 trillion. Imagine if this was 20 trillion. Imagine how much up you'd be, dude. It'd be like 10, you'd be up like 100K, I feel. 10 times more, or 10,000. I don't know. Regardless, still a fun day for everyone in cryptos. Doge still at 16. Like, I'm going, hey, Doge can hit 21 back again, but I don't want to get anyone's hopes up. But it is an interesting rally. I'm not getting in. I was already in prior. There's nothing for me to get into. I was been in. I'm a long-term holder. Sometimes I move stuff around. I haven't even moved stuff around. BNB's at freaking 600. I think Bitcoin will push to 75K soon. I think it's gonna happen as well. I think it's a matter of time. I think that is a fair thing. What's going on, William? How are things? How's the alien forms treating you? Fill us in on everything alien form, buddy. I had a few guys come in on the chat the last few times and ask about alien form. And I'm like, oh man, I wish William was here. He would have filled us in on all the things going on. Oh boy. So yeah, AVAX. I shouted out AVAX, Solana. I thought both of these were fairly decent pushes, and then I always shout out Bitcoin, but really XRP deserves credit as well. 55 cents definitely seems like an interesting mark. I want to see it do better. I really want to see it fly up, 10 cents more than where it's at, but time will only tell when that or if that is going to come. Other fun stuff. Hey, what is trending? As you guys know, big boy Bitcoin trending number one. Number one, triple G's. John, nice to see you. What's going on, buddy? What are you into? Actually, John, we got William here. You're the guy that was asking, right? The Shibnobi community went to Alien Forum, and William, my crypto buy William, is part of that community. So if you need to get any information, he is here. So feel free to find out what's going on and what are things uh, to expect. So other fun stuff. Pepe. As I was saying, a lot of the Pepe community was happy. It's a low market cap. If there's another push, it is completely community push. There's zero devs in this. All the devs are out. They've already moved their tokens out. They've left the project. Now it's strictly community driven. So, I think that low market cap is helping it drive up and down here. We also have SCI doing fairly well, Immutable X doing great, and Near Protocol. And as you guys know, the last time I talked to you, we were trying to get into the Runes protocol. They also had a successful launch, especially on the BRC20. I still haven't received my airdrop last I checked, but I did get the inscription, and the NFT landed in my wallet fairly quickly after I ended the live stream, and it was like 25 minutes later I finally saw it, and I'm like, oh my god, thank god I didn't live stream all 25 minutes. It would have been crazy. Good boy. Always a pleasure, buddy. What's going on? How are things? What are you up to? What are you doing? The graph, shout out to the graph. Crypto Norvell kept telling us about the graph, and it is doing fairly well today. I'm expecting most of these things to be a little down tomorrow. One thing that don't make sense, Bonk and Whiff, right? These guys did fairly well in the Solana ecosystem, and now while Solana's doing well, they're not doing so hot, right? So definitely whales taking profits. I feel something of that sort happening. It just don't make sense, but I'm not too worried about it. Feels like it could be a good entry point in. As long as there's no further blood. But we will talk about that during the chart segment, especially for Bonk. I will not forget. And I believe that is all I had for the market. Let me move on over to the news. I have some quite fun articles I picked out from TradingView, and I actually had to catch up on two of them because they had just came out, and I was like, I kind of want to know. So potential rejections of Ethereum spot ETFs. And the guy, this expert, which is Jupiter Zeng, head of research at Hashkey Capital, goes, hey, this is not going to be a major setback. So he is an expert, and he goes, hey, if the ETF is denied, it will not be that bearish, as the market is not pricing in it yet. And we still have Bitcoin ETFs as the entrance for traditional funds. So Bitcoin ETFs already exist. If people want to get into crypto, they're going right into Bitcoin. So he's going, hey, it's not that bad of a bearish trend to him. And I go, dude, that's Bitcoin. We're talking Ethereum. If Ethereum ETFs don't get approved, I would assume the Ethereum maxes are going to dump Ethereum. But Jupiter Zeng knows better than Teddy. Jupiter Zeng is is a expert. Has spent a lot of time. So he goes, no, Teddy, you're wrong. look at what happened the last halving, right? In 2020, Ether's price was around 210 before the halving, and then rose to 433 by August 14th. So, and that was double. That was a 106% increase, according to CoinMarket data. Data? Data. Uh, so now we know this. There you go. Hey, historical trends tend to repeat themselves. Right now, we're sitting at $3,000. If we were going to double, we'd be at $6,000 in a relatively short time, right? That was August 14th. So uh May to August, guys, that is relatively quick. That's like 2 3 months, that's it. That's it. So in 2 3 months we could be seeing this go wild, is what Jupiter Zeng, crypto expert, knows his stuff. That's what he says. So thought that was interesting. The other fun part, main takeaway, was we got that Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, and he says, hey, he now thinks the approval is now a 35% likelihood that they're going to approve the Ethereum ETF. So as long as Jupiter Zeng, crypto expert, agrees, he goes, don't matter what the approval rate is. He goes, Ethereum's gonna go crazy no matter what, and they're already doing that with Bitcoin. They have that entry point already into crypto. It's a matter of time till it enters Ethereum as well. So I thought that was interesting, quite fun. My Wi-Fi is down, goons. Bad signal. Should I buy into crypto now? Absolutely. You should be dollar cost averaging in anytime you can if you have money to spend. Don't put it all in one basket and don't do it all in one shot, but definitely figure out where your entry point is. Put foil on it, Ben. Yeah, there you go. Gucci boy. Gucci boy. He knows. Gucci boy knows. So the other fun one I was reading was Ethereum to see fresh move soon. What futures data? I don't know anymore. It says. So what these guys talk about is an indicator, and I don't truly follow this, but there's this open interest and refers to the total number of derivative related contracts open for Ethereum on all exchanges. So somehow this open interest is looking through, all the crypto exchanges and going, hey, this is what people are doing, and this is what people are not doing. So when the open interest value goes up, it means that investors are opening up new positions on those crypto exchanges. If the indicator goes down, it means investors are closing their positions of their platforms before getting liquidated, or they are getting liquidated, and that usually causes a violent price action down. Now, what they're insinuating is every time you see the plunge, you'll get a natural long that happens from this plunge. So now we've went through a plunge. Hey, the halving happened. People took profits. Boom, we plunge. Now they're saying, hey, with this open interest on Ethereum, it's really bottoming out, and we're looking at another increase up. So they do believe that consolidation sideways is declined. So has the value of the open interest. So they're really going, hey, this is the potential. Then they talk about this other funding rate, which I don't truly follow the funding rate and derivative market stuff that much, but it looks like the funding rate somehow tracks fees and this contracts that they're opening and closing, and somehow depending on where that rate is, especially when it goes bearish, they go, hey, that could be a major opening for people going long. So these are the exchanges they got: BitMEX, Binance, Bybit, OKX, Huobi, Gate, BitGet, Didex, CoinX, and BingX, right? So they got a few of them, and I'm really trying to understand where they see The chart below says the Ethereum funding rate has recently turned red, right? So historically, the market has been more likely to move against the opinion of the majority. So the fact that the funding rate has flipped negative may be a good sign for the chances of any potential uptrends to start. So they're saying, hey, this could be the time. This could be the entry point. We're about to see it go crazy before we've seen it, like we've seen it, nothing else. This is gonna be the thing. Check your MetaMask for Foxy airdrop on Linea mainnet. Wait, for what? For what? Um. Oh my god, my chat just caught up. I have bad internet. Get out of here. Lol, my contractor cut my cable line. Wait, what? Jim Carrey on the way to fix that cable. Dang, Ben, tell me it wasn't fiber. Lol, it's just cable. It won't fiber. Oh, check your MetaMask, dude. What is this Foxy airdrop? What did you need to get it? Did everyone get an airdrop or just you? I want to know more. I don't know enough now. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this Ethereum stuff. The other crazy but intriguing is New York Stock Exchange gauges interest in 24/7 stock trading like crypto. So this is a report that came out, and guys, take this with a grain of salt. Wouldn't it be crazy? Wouldn't it be crazy if the New York Stock Exchange had 24-hour stock trading? Well, guess what? It may not be happening anytime in the near future, but it would be a great thing to stir up some controversy in the markets. They're already so accustomed to this. You think they're going to change now? Get out of here. So they currently trade Monday to Friday between 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. And the cryptocurrencies trade 24/7. So there's some guy going, hey, let's put a metric out there and see how many people would support 24/7 weekday trading. Um, Ends up they put it in, uh, and I guess people kind of showed some interest, but unfortunately, no, get out of here. This is not how it would work. There's the people that actually run the NYSE and even other exchanges. They went, hey, managing the liquidity in 24/7 trading arena will be a tough task. They're saying it can't be done, but they're saying it's going to be tough, and even the cryptocurrency platforms can't even do it properly. So I was like, dude, they're literally throwing crypto under the bus. They're like, they can't even do it properly and they trade 24/7. Bro, let us make our money, bro. So this guy did another poll outside of what the New York Stock Exchange's poll is. And keep in mind, they haven't released it, but he just did it to his Twitter followers or X followers. And take this with a grain of salt. Take this with a grain of salt. But 70% said no. And these could all be bots. But, who knows what the NYSE um, poll is going to say. They may fib it and be like, yeah, they actually all said yes. 90% yes. So, the poll comes from this firm here, 24X National Exchange, which is also seeking approval from the SEC to launch the first around the clock exchange in the country. So it is a little interesting, and we'll see what ends up happening. I mean, are you guys ready for it if it does happen? I personally don't trade too much in the stocks, but when I do, I'm in and out as quickly as I am uh, in and out in crypto, which is not that much. I'm in it for the long term. So welcome. Um, Let me see. Alien Form Weekly AMA is every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Everyone's welcome to join in the conversation. I appreciate that, buddy. I appreciate that. Um, Add the custom token Foxy to your Linea mainnet. OKX users will also receive the airdrop. Alien Form AMA will be live on Telegram, YouTube, and Discord. Oh wow, that's great. That's great. What are the things that are happening with the Alien Form thing, William? Oh, dropped my phone. Screen check. Screen looks good. All right, we're good. Oh yeah. Oh boy, I have a lot of comments I got to respond to. I'll get there. I'll get there. Um, I think that was it for this one. I have one more. I have one more, which is hey, the SEC's lawyers. The SEC's lawyers resign after the judge basically said there was gross abuse of power. So Michael Welsh and Joseph Watkins, two lawyers from the SEC, have resigned. That is it. And that is after what is it? They went for $49 million against this Utah-based crypto company called Debtbox. So this started in July 2023. Hey, they tried to do a freeze on the parties involved and a restraining order and so many things in order to make it super difficult for that box to operate. Well, guess what? The judge wasn't having any of it. He goes, hey, materially false and misleading representations have happened in the pursuit of this restraining order. This is a gross abuse of power, you know. So the SEC then ordered, I'm sorry, the judge then ordered the SEC to pay Debtbox's attorney's fees. Then the SEC goes, no, this is unwarranted. I mean, we may have been wrong. We have fell short, but don't um, do this because of their shortfall. But it didn't matter at that point. They also moved to dismiss the case, and the judge denied the motion. The judge's like, "Nah, we gonna make you suffer." So yeah, it is now. We going through the suffering. The two guys basically had to get let go there or resign themselves, whatever you take that as. And we keep seeing what the judge has in store for the SCCs and Debtbox. So quite interesting. I don't know all the logistics, but I don't think anybody really does either. So I want to bring that to your guys' attention as well. All right, guys. Here comes the fun. We're gonna look at the chats. The chats, Teddy. I need to look at the chats. Once I look at the chats, I'll be set. Everything will be fine. Oh boy, you wish. You wish. You wish that's how it worked. Oh man. Oh man. Is this an Andean oscillator that is narrowing? Am I looking at an Andean oscillator that is narrowing on a Bitcoin that is going up on its way to 68,318? Oh my God, Teddy. Oh my God, guys. So you guys know, hey, we have the fib retracement charted. We're looking at the 0.618 level. We're looking at 68,381. That is the level the price needs to close at for me to go, hey, I go super bullish. 82,000 is going to be achievable. I still feel 82,000 is going to be achievable if and only if we close above 68,000. Don't let me tell you I didn't tell you, because I'm telling you right now, everything is green, everything is buy in most indicators. So I'm 100% feeling this. Hi, Kyra. Hi, Kyra. Kyra just entered the room, so we are Kyra's excited as well. There you go. She's ready. She's ready. Ethereum a little bit different, but not too different. The Andean for Ethereum is also narrowing, right? So we are entering. Hi, Kyra. What's going on? You want to say hi to the goons? You say hi, goons. You say goons. Okay. What do you want? You want this? What do you want? You want this? What do you want? You want this? She wants the Shivalingam. You want this? What's this? What's this? All right, you go. So yeah, as I was saying, Ethereum is narrowing Andean oscillator. When we see a narrowing Andean oscillator, it usually tells us, hey, there's a bullish trend coming, especially on the flip over. A green line over the red. That's what I'm looking for. Right now, it is narrowing. I'm not quite there with Ethereum as I am with Bitcoin. This looks super narrow to me, but it can be done. It can be done. We did find support at 2,845. We bounced back up there, and now we're trying to see how much higher we can go. If I truly want to go super bullish again, I need it to close above 3,600. It may be a longer run there, but it can be done. But there is better potential for some of these other ones, right? So now that BNB closed above or is above the 0.618 here, I go, hey, BNB can reach 737, no problem. I look at Solana, we are making its way up to back up to 170. We have a narrowing Indian, just like everything else. When it comes to BNB, it's already crossed over, and you guys know BNB is gonna go crazy anytime we got fib retracement that closes above 0.618, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. It's already done it once, and now I'm anticipating this move to just go super wide on the Indian, which would indicate further price action up. Solana, same exact thing. I need that 170 to close. Once 170 is closed, I do believe we're going to see another run up. Currently, there is a nice bullish rally coming in. We are going to see some profit taking potentially, but it would be great to see this bullish rally continue now that we're post halving and people are getting more and more into crypto. That is exactly what we need to see. XRP. I love XRP. We need to close above 62 right now. I know 68 has been my go-to for so long, but at this point, where we are with XRP and the fib retracement charted from the last high to the last low, if we get above 62 cents, it can 100% be done. And then we are going to continue SHIB. And this is another bullish trend that is coming in. We had the triple G short come in. I do anticipate this crossover could widen. When it widens, I need it to close above 403. If it closes up 403, I go super bullish. And right now we're around 4026, right? So just be ready, guys, because we know with the meme coins, it comes quick and it'll be crazy. Let me see here with Doge. I think Doge, we still got some time. It's a little wide. It could widen out a little bit more. I know there's a mini rally happening. I really needed to close above 18. I'm not quite there yet mentally, but it's only 2 cents. 18 could happen just like that overnight. We have another flip, which is Pepe. We congratulated everyone that got into Pepe. I know the last time we had the flip, it went pretty narrow, and then boom, it opened up, right? So that would be crazy if we see that again. If we do, it would be what is it? 8. 508. That is what I would want. 5082 if we'd really looked into it. And this is Bonk. And Bonk has messed with us for, some false flags here. We've hit that once, twice. And now this is the third time we're like, hey, we're not going to fall for this. And then that was the one that ended up taking off. Now, are we hitting another cycle where Bonk could go parabolic, right? So here comes that long position that was the triple G called. And now we're seeing Andean potentially cross over in narrowing. It's not quite an upward swing. It is a quick flip. We'll see what brings in the long run. And let me see. I don't know if I saw Red Sox. Usually I do Crow only if I see Red Sox. We're going to continue on with AVAX. And this is one where I've never done the fib retracement for AVAX, but the triple G indicator did put support at 3483. We see that bounced off 3483, and I'm anticipating a further narrowing on Indian, and only then would I go, hey, 50 to 60 is achievable again. But right now, $40, if my goal is 50 to 60, $40 don't sound too bad, Let me see here. That was Grok. I think that was pretty much all I wanted to cover. Let me flip over to Goon Time. As you guys know, Goon Time is your time. If there's anything you want me to cover, anything you guys want me to give my opinion on, do let me know. Otherwise, I go bye bye. You guys don't see me till Thursday. But I'm still like very accessible. You can find me on Telegram, Instagram, literally all the social medias at TDIGNJ. Let me see. Foxy. Okay, let me see Foxy. I cannot do a Hi Kyra. This is I can't even grab the oh great. I need to go to view this on YouTube. Yep, I got it now. Control Dex Tools. Dex Tools. Is Jasmine on a breakout? That is a very good question. I will check out Jasmine as well. Goon time is your time. Yeah, what is this liquidity? 100K liquidity with 60 million. Get the hell out of here, bro. You're about to get rugged. What? Oh, this is a Matic. Oh, this is in Matic, though. Maybe not. Sync Swap Classic? What the hell? No, it's not Matic. He's saying Foxy is mainnet Linea. This is Linea. Okay, so they made it in Linea and they. What the hell? Linea. Yeah, this is Linea. Okay, so in Linea, they have it pegged to a bunch of other things, but Ethereum is their main. And this is so hard to understand. Okay, here's Linea with WETH 10 days ago. I mean, this has a lot of volume. I mean, I would assume it's this. Yeah, the other ones are probably fake. There probably is real liquidity to this. I just am naive. They probably just have it split. Yeah, see, this one has 66K, but the LP is about the same. So they probably do have liquidity, but it's still a high market cap. But this is probably how it's calculated. So yeah, 160, 66 to. I think that's about it, really. What is that? Like 100, 200K almost, 220K? That's not bad. 220K. It's, I mean, the price action looks solid. You're up. You're at an all-time high. Is Jasmine on a breakout? Let's check out Jasmine on my thing. Oh, Jasmine, you look fine. You look fine. You blow my mind. Hey, Jasmine. No, no. Actually, Jasmine does look like it's on a breakout as well. I do see it's bottomed out on the short here. Triple G gave it support at 0.016, and we're at 0.02. Hey, caught support resistance at 0.26. I mean, not bad, right? And you see a narrowing of the Andean. If I go, hey, Andean's narrowing, I go, yeah, that's a breakout move that we're looking at. Yeah, that looks pretty solid, guys. I actually like this one. All right. Anything else? Let me see. Bum, bum, bum. I do not see anything else. Oh boy, this is it. I get to leave. I get to go. Bye bye. I will see you guys again Thursday. Hopefully everything is going fine with you. Stay safe. Stay strong. Damn it, Daniel. I'm about to leave and you come in. We're about to leave, Daniel. I will catch you next time. Come watch my Thursday show. Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You guys already know we stream 2 times a week, Mondays and Thursdays, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Come hang out with the goons and make sure you check out our second channel. We released another video today and it is doing fairly well. The metrics actually said, Teddy, It looks like your other channel's doing okay, but unfortunately, the crypto's where it's at. Do check out Weird and Mysterious and Horror-Inducing Reactions here, part 101. Quite interesting compilation of TikToks this time around. But other than that, guys, that is it. I will catch you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed.